Hi guys, G here. I'm going up to see my friend Alyssa's at her house. So, I really don't know if she is or not. That's why I'm going over. See if she is. So, see you in a minute. So guys, I'm back. She's not there. No one answered the door. It's freezing, and I'm wearing shorts. Outside. Nothing.
Okay, that's a good reason for nothing.
Just playing.
Playing by yourself.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
It's freezing.
It's what?
It's freezing. I'm not making up excuses.
No, it's what? Excuses for what?
I was outside playing by myself. Oh my god.
Jade, is that yours?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a camera stand.
What's that for?
You can unplug them and they drop down.
Mm-hmm.
And you can turn stuff and it'll
Okay.
work.
You don't sing so good. Why didn't you tell me? We're boyfriend and girlfriend. We've got to be honest with each other.
Yeah, sorry. From now on, I promise I will.
Good. Me too. Starting with that sweater, it looks terrible on you. Okay, just eyebrows and growing back together again.
Okay, I think that's enough honesty for one day.
Oh, I just get started. You know your favorite tennis shoes? I can smell them coming. Which deodorant? Feet off it. Oh, big deodorant.
Hold honesty for 1 second. I gotta introduce the next group.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Happy Impact Crew.
Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Be right back, guys. So, guys, we're gonna play some. Yay!
I got coloring pictures down at the library last week. Did I do it? Oh, right here, look.
Why don't we save them for tonight?
Yeah. Well, I got lots of them. Look, Santa Claus and a candle. And they're all Christmas pictures.
I want to color them tonight because I'm a quick colorer.
Yeah. And a reindeer.
I can make his nose red.
Yep.
Like a Rudolph.
And a snowflake.
Well, snowflakes are already colored.
Well, there's